BCS reconditions, rebuilds, and remanufactures low and medium voltage circuit breakers and switchgear. And we stock replacement parts for all major brands. When it's time to upgrade or replace aging equipment, BCS Switchgear Modernization Solutions help you sustain your existing lineup by upgrading active components matching current technologies. When blow-ups and fires destroy electrical equipment, complete replacement is the only option. Calibrated testing equipment ensures your gear is performing to manufacturer, Pearl, NETA, and other industry standards. The training and experience of our people is our greatest asset. BCS is passionate about switchgear and circuit breakers, offering switchgear and circuit breaker services for electrical systems dating back to the 1940s.
As you can see here at our other warehouse, we have virtually every major manufacturer of switchgear, low and medium voltage air circuit breaker on the market. And at our other warehouse, we have all the parts to support all of our reconditioning and remanufacturing processes. Maintaining an extensive inventory saves customers time and money when you consider the cost of operational downtime. Our customers' choice to keep their existing gear needs to make sense today as well as 5 to 10 years down the road.
Your job begins with a work order. Next, service procedures are reviewed by a team leader. Your work order is posted to the BCS tracking system with supporting technical information including required materials such as replacement parts. Next, our team does a visual inspection of parts, including stationary electrical contacts. This is done before operating the breaker so that all mechanisms can be inspected. Breakers are operated manually to reveal worn or broken parts that need to be replaced. Using schematics or wiring diagrams, the breaker can safely be operated electrically to be sure all auxiliary electrical devices are operating as intended. Any parts needed are pulled from BCS's vast selection of electrical replacement parts. BCS can also ship parts the same day from stock in most cases. Finally, your unit receives a quality control inspection. These procedures for inspecting and testing low-voltage circuit breakers gives us the confidence to safely extend the electrical life of your switchgear.
Reconditioning is usually limited to taking circuit breakers apart, inspecting and cleaning them, whereas remanufacturing means replating silver and all-plated parts. Remanufacturing also involves replacing worn or broken parts with new parts. In the end, what all this means is you're upgrading your equipment, which maintains your investment. The industry is moving towards annual inspections, especially for safety reasons. This helps prevent blow-ups and fires, where operator safety is at greatest risk. These settings include electrical utility companies, refineries, universities, and manufacturing operations, to name a few. We can perform repairs in-house, on-site, or at your location depending on the situation. BCS also performs maintenance and testing on medium and low voltage breakers and switchgear. I can't speak for other switchgear providers, but I feel that our greatest asset is not the gear we work on. Our greatest asset is actually our people and our experience.